If you've ever wanted to launch your own online store without paying expensive monthly fees, you are in the right place. No more Shopify, Wix, or Squarespace fees. Imagine that. Hey everyone, welcome. My name is Bert. I'm the guy behind Modern AI Web Machine and the Transmission X podcast. Now, in this free course I'm offering here on YouTube, I'll show you how to build your own e-commerce store, soup to nuts, step by step, from setting up hosting, setting up the software, installing plugins, uploading and managing products, setup of payment and checkout, securing your website, backup strategy, website performance and responsiveness, and even automating your marketing with the help of AI. We'll cover it all. Now that you've heard a bit of the roadmap of this project and you've been thinking about building your own website for a while, now is the time to take action. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And hit the little button so you get notified whenever a new video hits the internet. And if you know someone who might benefit from this kind of content, please share. And thanks. Be on the lookout for the first video. My current target is the end of this week. Be well. Bang.